This tutorial demonstrates how to quickly and efficiently locate video recordings of a specific person based on a given description. Often, you have limited data available to work with, like the color of the t-shirt or an estimated time period. It can seem a challenging task. XProtect Rapid Review eliminates these challenges. With just a few clicks, you can pinpoint the exact time and place where the person was last seen before disappearing. Let's show you how. Let's assume you have already picked the related cameras and the time frame of your search. Then, you apply the specific search criteria to narrow down your search and find exactly what you're looking for. For this exercise, we want to find a child, wearing red upperwear, and who is below 6 feet tall. As you can see, the system instantly presents the search results, narrowing down the list from more than 3,000 to only 14. Based on an advanced multi-camera search, the results from all pre-selected cameras display in the center of the screen, allowing you to look thoroughly at the results one by one. If you want to speed up your investigation even further, you can take advantage of the unique video synopsis technology. On the left side of the pane, you find the search results per camera. Hitting the playback button presents all matching objects that have appeared at different times in the video simultaneously. This allows you to review hours of video in minutes and sometimes even seconds. Anyone who has tried to search and sort through hours and hours of recordings to find what is needed knows how cumbersome it can be. XProtect Rapid Review is the ideal solution that enables rapid review, search, and analysis of video, so you can find what you're looking for fast. Thank you for watching.